Did you know that in 2024, over 70% of car buyers prioritize reliability above all else? With rising repair costs, dependable vehicles have become more important than ever. In today's video, we're diving into the top 10 most reliable cars of 2024, perfect for everything from daily commutes to those long road trips. Welcome to Rev Rage, where we deliver the latest in car reviews and recommendations. If you enjoyed videos like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community. Let's get started. Number 10. Toyota Corolla. Starting our list is the Toyota Corolla, a compact car that has been a symbol of dependability for decades. The Corolla has earned a solid reputation for its reliability, offering consistent performance year after year. This car is known for its durability, often lasting well over 200,000 miles with minimal issues. The 2024 Toyota Corolla continues this legacy. With a fuel-efficient engine, low repair costs, and affordable parts, it remains one of the most budget-friendly cars in terms of both upfront costs and long-term maintenance. The Corolla also comes with Toyota's Safety Sense package, which includes a suite of advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking, making it safe and reliable for families and commuters alike. Number 9. Honda Civic. Next up is the Honda Civic, another compact car that's built its reputation on reliability. The Civic has been a consistent performer in terms of fuel efficiency, minimal repair needs, and overall longevity. It's a top pick for anyone who wants a car that offers low maintenance while still being fun to drive. The 2024 Honda Civic comes equipped with modern features like a touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It also excels in fuel efficiency, making it an excellent choice for daily commuters who want to save on fuel costs. Honda has kept the Civic's design sleek and sporty, appealing to drivers who don't want to compromise style for dependability. Number 8. Mazda 3. If you're someone who values a balance between reliability and design, the Mazda 3 offers the best of both worlds. This compact car is known for its upscale interior, responsive handling, and of course, reliability. Mazda has a track record of producing vehicles that last, and the Mazda 3 is no exception. What makes the 2024 Mazda 3 stand out is its combination of performance and reliability. Mazda has focused on enhancing driving dynamics while maintaining its commitment to building cars that need fewer repairs over time. The interior is also impressive, with high-quality materials and an intuitive layout that rivals more expensive vehicles. Number 7. Subaru Outback. For those who need a vehicle capable of handling rougher terrain and adverse weather conditions, the Subaru Outback is a standout option. Known for its all-wheel drive system and rugged build, the Outback is designed for reliability both on and off the road. The 2024 Subaru Outback continues to be a top choice for adventurers and families alike. Its symmetrical all-wheel drive ensures excellent stability in all weather conditions, making it perfect for drivers in areas with snow or rain. What sets Subaru apart is its commitment to reliability through durable engineering, resulting in fewer breakdowns and a longer lifespan for the vehicle. Number 6. Toyota Camry. The Toyota Camry has long been a favorite for those seeking a mid-size sedan that offers both comfort and reliability. Toyota has built the Camry to last, with a reputation for being one of the most trouble-free sedans on the market. The 2024 Toyota Camry maintains its status as a reliable vehicle with low maintenance costs. Its hybrid variant is particularly appealing for those looking to save on fuel without sacrificing performance. The Camry's engine lineup is known for its durability, and Toyota's commitment to high-quality engineering means fewer trips to the mechanic. Number 5. Lexus GX. If you're looking for luxury without compromising on reliability, the Lexus GX is a perfect choice. Built on a rugged platform, the GX is designed for both on-road comfort and off-road capability. But beyond its luxury features, the Lexus GX is one of the most reliable SUVs in its class. The 2024 Lexus GX comes with a powerful V8 engine, making it capable of towing and handling rough terrain with ease. Lexus, being Toyota's luxury brand, inherits the same focus on reliability that Toyota is known for. This means the GX not only offers a plush interior and cutting-edge technology, but also fewer mechanical issues over time. Number 4. Honda Accord. The Honda Accord has long been a benchmark for midsize sedans, thanks to its exceptional reliability and practicality. The Accord consistently receives high marks for its long-lasting performance and minimal maintenance needs. The 2024 Honda Accord builds on this legacy, offering a spacious interior, smooth handling, and excellent fuel efficiency. It's a great choice for families or anyone looking for a daily driver that's comfortable, reliable, and affordable to maintain. Honda's attention to detail in the Accord's design and engineering ensures that it continues to be a top pick for reliability. Number 3. Kia Telluride. The Kia Telluride has quickly risen to fame as one of the most reliable and family-friendly SUVs on the market. Kia has worked hard to improve its reputation for quality, and the Telluride is proof that the brand has succeeded. The 2024 Kia Telluride offers a spacious interior with 3 rows of seating, making it a great choice for families. It comes equipped with modern technology, including a touchscreen infotainment system, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert. Number 2. Hyundai Tucson. For those looking for an affordable yet reliable compact SUV, the Hyundai Tucson is an excellent choice. Hyundai has invested heavily in improving the quality and reliability of its vehicles, and the Tucson is a shining example of that commitment. The 2024 Hyundai Tucson offers a perfect blend of style, technology, and dependability. It comes equipped with a variety of safety features, including forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and lane keeping assist. The Tucson also offers excellent fuel efficiency, making it a budget-friendly option for drivers who want to keep running costs low. Number 1. Chevrolet Bolt EV. Topping our list is an electric vehicle, the Chevrolet Bolt EV. As electric cars become more popular, the Bolt EV stands out as one of the most reliable options on the market. With fewer mechanical parts than traditional gasoline vehicles, electric cars tend to have fewer issues over time. The 2024 Chevrolet Bolt EV offers a long battery range, strong performance, and an affordable price point compared to other electric vehicles. Its reliability is backed by its solid track record, and the Bolt EV has been praised for its minimal maintenance needs.